Hello YouTube, back at it again. w126 live. Time to feed the fish. Had a little problem with my blinkers. I'm gonna try to fix it today. I'm gonna take you with me on that one. First, drinking some tea in my garden. So, un momento, por favor. Yeah, it's a little bit strange. I don't know why, I don't know how. But all the lights are working. They are only blinking really fast. And in the past I changed them out, so I know the light bulbs are not the same wattage, so that could be a problem. And I was thinking about putting back the original ones in, because I now got myself some other ones. I can show you. Like this. I got the bright ones in. And I got a new statif. Still waiting for my gimbal. So I wanted to get the other ones in. I'm gonna see how that looks also, because I'm pretty gewend to it, but original is better, I think. So we're gonna do that. Take a look from the other side, and then we're gonna see under the hood how that works out. Un momento. Yo, YouTube, back at it again. I want to see if I can see something obvious. I was already driving this morning. I'll take you with me on this one. Before we check everything out. The blinkers. Okay. Yeah. The blinkers. Gonna go get the originals in. Probably cannot see so much. This one is blinking the fastest. And if you turn it like this, you could get it out real easy. Switch it over. Take at least the correct something in, huh? It's getting loose already. Oh, my aching back. You can better sit like this. Bit far away, huh? You don't see so much. Oh guys, I'll show you on camera. Turn it on. If it even, oh yeah, turns a lot. You have to turn it a lot. Maybe 30 turns, maybe 40 even. Then can I get it off? Getting there. Maybe 50 turns. Unbelievable. I'm not gonna count it. Maybe when I put it on. Yes, getting there. Maybe 100 turns, boys and girls. Unbelievable. Just keep turning. You have to get it off. Eventually, like now. Got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. And now I'm gonna put it out. Right. It looks oxidized. So guys, turn this off of that, and that takes a lot of turns. And probably something has to be held in there. And you can just get this one out. That's not the correct bulb. And it looks cracked. See? That's not the way it should look. Okay, un momento por favor. YouTube, I got an orange one. Original. Boss. But I don't have the light for it yet, so I'm gonna look that one up. Un momento. Well guys, I found myself a light bulb fitted. I don't know if it's the correct one. I'm gonna test it out. Un momento. Well you guys, gonna fit it in together and see if she blinks or not. This also needs to be cleaned. It can only go on one way. That's not the way. Turn it around. That's the way. So, see how she flickers. Un momento, por favor, I need to get the keys. Okay guys, we got the keys. Let's do this together right now. Okay, contact. Oh, different, wrong one. Much better. At ease. That was it guys. Just a simple thing. Acceptabele, acceptabele. Haha. Okay, found the correct light. Un momento, por favor. Well guys, it's gonna take a while. I have to turn it about 100 times, so I'm gonna make time lapse. Un momento. Hey, well guys, back at it again. I got him in. He worked. Put a time lapse in between it. Because you moet wel 100 keer, you have to turn it about 100 times. Now we got to do the other side. So, un momento, por favor. Make some room. And see how that works out. Un momento. Well guys, it took a while. The turns you have to make to get it up, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. These are aftermarkets. I'm gonna get the other one. So you can see in it. You got some cleaning to do. I don't know if you can see it. Tap to hold and to adjust. Oh, this is the maximale al. Can clean it here a little bit, and this is some rust potentially. I need to address that. Wire brush it a little bit, clean it out there, get myself a brush, and clean it. First we're gonna change this bolt. I'm gonna take a look at it. You also correct. We're gonna do original. So, un momento. Far, no luck. have to go. Jesus. To the backside. Hopefully we can get some more lucky things in here. Un momento por favor. Hey beste mensen, ik kon zo snel niet geven, dus ik ga eerst die oude weer proberen, die oranje. Die lijkt ook nog wel goed, wel een beetje heet geweest. Maar kijken of die past. Okay guys, let's do this together. I got the old light, couldn't find a new bulb. I got it here, the wire. Doesn't look that great. Fit only one way, like this. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Un momento. Put in the key, put it on contact. Hier gaat in één keer sneller. Ah, ik ben wel tevreden. Ik ga hem erop zetten jongens. Dit wordt aan de andere kant. Zien jullie niet, maar het is wel goed. Thanks. That was an easy fix, boys and girls. Oh, guys, un momento, por favor. Did you see her flicker on camera? Hello YouTube, back at it again. We got ourselves the original one. It's a bit dirty, but could have cleaned it. Put that one here. Put that one over there, over there. Not the best fitment of so. Okay guys, this one is coming in like this. This one is coming out. We have to put it 100 keer in. How many turns? Very fine thread. Now we have to get this one in. Only fits one way, and then you can turn it and locks in place. And then you have to wiggle it real gentle like this. And get it like this. Nou heb je twee pinnetjes. You have to fall there. Click it in place already. Now you have to fasten this one. Not gonna bore you with that. Yes, I'm gonna bore you with that. But on the time lapse. So un momento, por favor. So YouTube, we did it. I'm pleased. I'm gonna close the door for traffic. Working in good order again, and it's original, back to its original state. I think I prefer this original much better. So I got some aftermarket blinkers in for sale. Anybody in later? My son Casanova. Well guys, that was it for now. I'm quite pleased, must say. I'm quite pleased. I'm gonna try to take a picture. Strike pose. Why not? Boombeklad. Wordt al warm jongens, het is lekker 20 graden. Warmte komt er nou aan, zometeen 30. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Easy fix. Yeah, it's a tough job, but somebody's gotta do it.